everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sekafet. Hope everybody is doing well. To all my subscribers, thank you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, darling. So guys, we got rpghair up in the building. Now I've already done this hair and you can see it. To be honest with you, it's been a while that I have not purchased such a well-constructed unit. At first, when I saw the wig, I was like, this giving me some kind of granny vibes, like irie kind of granny kind of vibes. And I was like, what? But I went ahead, I bleached the knots. So I went ahead, I bleached the knots, and I basically washed the hair, shampooed with Iso Plus to ensure that the bleach is completely removed, and then I deep conditioned with my silicone mix, and that was basically it. The curls remain. It's like the hair just came alive, and I started to see okay, potential, you know. So I went in, I plucked some more, and I tried my best to see if I could get this melted to really see how much slaying we could do with this wig, and I really liked how it came out, to be honest with you. At this point, I know what you're thinking. You're trying to say, oh, Sheres, you look nice. But no, you're wrong. This wig has changed my name. Don't call me Sheres. In this wig, I'm Chardonnay. Call me Chardonnay. Oh my God, like this wig has just... I'm speechless. To be honest, I am speechless. I love this wig. It's very versatile. There's a lot you can do with this wig. You can put it to the back, you can bring it forward. You know, it's short, it's 8-inch. It's an 8-inch unit, 180% density, and oh boy, am I telling you, did they give you every percentage of that 180%? They gave you every one. They might have even went overboard. Honestly, this wig is very full, and at first it kind of feels very rough, but once you wet it, it comes alive, and it's really, I don't know, it's giving me this, I don't know, it's short, but it's so sexy. What? It's nice. This wig is giving me vibes, and like, I don't know, this wig is just bomb. This wig is just bomb, like legit. Like when my husband see me, is like, ooh, you looking nice. I'm like, thank you. So it came in this box, and the box is purple. I mean, anything that comes, anytime anything comes in a purple box, you know, it's a whole bunch of magicalness inside of there. And I know that's not a word, all my English teachers. And then it came in this bag, and it basically says style number Bob 01 natural, 8-inch, 180% density, a lace front wig cap. And then I also got this book. In it comes this book, and it basically gives you, it's an after sales card, and it basically tells you pre-bleach, pre-plucked, but I still bleached and I still plucked this frontal. I guess it's maybe referring to some of the hair, not all of it. And inside of it, you will see some YouTubers there. Some of them, I look at them for sure. Like her, Tony. So yeah, she's from Jamaica. I'm not sure where she's from. I've seen her a couple times. Good stuff. So yeah, this is what came in the box, as well as a wig cap and this comb marked RPG hair. From the time I got the comb, to be honest, I really fancy the comb. I already don't take out the comb using the comb as if, you know, it just was like that. But the curls are very versatile. It feels very nice. Maybe you're not somebody into short hair, but I promise you, when you put this on your hair and it turns you into a Chardonnay. Now, I don't know if there's any Chardonnays out there, but honey, this wig makes me feel like a Chardonnay, okay? You know, sometimes there are certain names you're like, why did my mother think of that name, you know? Like sometimes you just like, sometimes like, chill people, chill. Doesn't happen to you? Fine, not a problem. Happens to me all the time. So this is the back, and this is the front. Side view, front view, all up in your face. What do you think? I don't know about you. Honestly, I love this wig. Can you tell? Can you tell, Ja? Because honestly, this wig is awesome. This wig is a really nice wig, and sometimes, you know, during the summer you just want a look that's very quick and it's not something that's gonna be all in your face, because sometimes, you know, it's hot. This wig is just an ideal. It's ideal, and it's just $79. Put your hands together for the price, honey boo, because the price, I understand it's a short wig, yes, and short wigs are generally always cheaper, but this wig is so, it's a flawless, it's $79. You cannot go wrong. This is gonna be in your collection for a long time. You could name her. Matter of fact, this is a wig, she needs her own wig stand, you know, like she really needs her own wig stand. I'ma just go ahead and I'ma just deck up this wig a bit by adding a few clips, because we can and we wanna. Trust me, there's so many things you could do with this wig. Do you see me put this clip? You can stick it up a little notch. You could like vibe with this wig and just check your scene. Like you could check your scene with this wig. Like just style it up anyhow you want. Do whatever you feel and you'll be looking flawless. And to be honest with you, I really like this hair. We're just gonna get right into the styling of this unit. Take a look at that, because you want to achieve this, you're $79 away. And guys, if you're interested in the makeup look, this makeup look, check me where? On my next video, because on my next video you could find me review a few of Juvia's Place products, and they are fire. Juvia's bringing the heat this season, so you want to check out that video as well. So guys, you already know what to do. Continue watching the video to look at the styling of this unit, but at the end you subscribe, you like, you comment, you share, all that good stuff. Yeah, thank you guys. Let's get into it.